tears fill my eyes. Far from mother's home, where love used to grow. I'm out here alone, feeling the cold wind blow. Far from mother's home, where the heart used to be. Wandering these roads with only memories. The warmth of her arms, so far from my side. I'm far from mother's home, lost in the night. The days grow long, and the nights feel endless. In this distant land, life seems so senseless. I hear her voice in the whispering breeze, a gentle reminder of simpler times and peace. Far from mother's home, where the heart used to be. Wandering these roads with only memories. The warmth of her arms, so far from my side. I'm far from mother's home, lost in the night. The stars above, they seem so near, guiding me back to all I hold dear. Though miles apart, her love remains a beacon of hope through all the pain. Far from mother's home, where the heart used to be. Wandering these roads with only memories. The warmth of her arms, so far from my side. I'm far from mother's home, lost in the night. One day I'll find a way back to her, to the place where love will always endure. Until that day, I'll keep holding on to the love from mother's home, my heart's only song.